Let's talk about expressing when, because in Cebuano there are many ways to express when, versus in English, it's kind of like a boring language that it just uses when, and that's it, just when, right? But Cebuano, we have many colorful ways of expressing when, and when something will happen. The word when, right? The first we have is kanus a, which is just an interrogative statement of when, right? When. And then the next one we have is the ig, right? The ig affix. The ig affix, and the final one we have is a sa pag adverb, right? Sa pag whatever adverb. So again, looking for kanus a, right? Kanus a is just when, but we are referring when for the interrogative as a time frame of something. So when in terms of time or a time frame in a time scale, right? When, right? Ig, or as we can say with the in infix now, because we understand what the in infix does, right? And when we get the in infix with ig, we get inig, right? Inig. So ig with the in infix gets changed to inig, right? Inig. But in this case, it's not really an infix, it's more of a prefix because of the, remember, vowel consonant vowel rule. It's attaches to verbs to indicate when something, that verb, like when a verb does, okay? When something, a verb, or when the verb does something, right? And you'll see that through the example I'll show. And finally, we have sapag blah blah blah, right? Which is an adverb or a transitional phrase that we can use, right? To express, we use it to express a situation or hypothetical situation, or just expressing events, right? Simple events. It doesn't need to be hypothetical, but just simple events to help you transition into that expression, or help you speech, help you, I guess, articulate your speech, right? It's a useful adverb. Now, sometimes we also use nga, but I couldn't think of any examples with the nga, right? But again, nga can also be that clausal. It's a clausal linker, nga. It links two clauses. But you can also use it as when for some situations. Unfortunately, I just don't have any examples of nga with here, but these are the three ways that are common that I can help you or show you to help you use this in speaking Cebuano. With our example sentence, we have all three of them in use, okay? Kanos di ay moabot ang tren? Okay, when indeed will the train arrive? So the female is on a train station, right? And she's anxious. She's anxious. She's nervous about the train. Kanos di ay moabot ang tren? When is the train indeed gonna arrive? Okay, when, that time frame, when. Kanus it's an interrogative. Tungod kay inikuman ko sa kubeta, wala pa nagabot. Okay, tungod kay, because when here's the inig, right? Iniguman ko sa kubeta, when I was finished in the bathroom or in the restroom or in the toilet room. When I was finished in the toilet room. And that's what I mean by when plus the verb. Okay, when plus the verb. When the verb happened, when blah 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 verb happened, right? When something something verb happened, right? When blah 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 finished, right? When I was finished, right? And that's the connotation that it has, the implied meaning, when something was finished, because human is the verb to finish, so we can put inig with human to indicate or express when finished. When finished me at bathroom, literally, when finished me, or when finished I at bathroom or in bathroom, or in restroom, where kubeta, right, the toilet. When I was finished in the toilet, inikuman ko sa kubeta, wala pa nagabot siya. Wala pa nagabot siya. The train still didn't come, right? The train still hasn't arrived. And the last sentence finally is, tingali lang sa pagpalit kog mga prutas, moabot siya ug magulahi daw ko. Oh, so this person or she is saying, tingali lang sa pagpalit kog mga prutas. Let's stop there for that first clause. Tingali meaning maybe. So tingali lang, so maybe, right? Or possibly. Sa pagpalit kog mga prutas, sa pagpalit, here we see that pattern. Sa pagpalit, when I buy, sa pagpalit kog mga prutas, when I buy fruits or when I buy the fruits, maybe there's a fruit stand in the train station that she wants to buy. I don't know. But she's saying, perhaps when I buy the fruits, see how there's that when again, that when. It's an adverbial transitional, that adverbial phrase or that transition. When I buy the fruits, right? Sa pagpalit kog mga prutas, when I buy the fruits, moabot siya ug muulahi daw ko. The train will arrive, she or the train, yeah, it will arrive and I will be late, right? Ulahi, to be late. It will arrive and I'm gonna be late. So I hope this sentence can help you clarify the usage of these expressing when. And again, in English, it's just when, but Cebuano, we have many ways to express this when, and it can get confusing if you don't understand the adverb versus the verb versus kanusa, an interrogative, right? But again, and the key things to know is that kanusa is just the plain old when, as in asking. It's an interrogative versus inig, which is always going to attach to a verb, right? When something verb, that's the importance. And sapag can also attach to verbs because it's an adverbial transitional phrase.